In short, the process of tempeh is like we clean the bean, we take the skin off and we split them. We soak them for 24 hours in water, then we wash them and we boil them for about an hour. Then we inoculate them with some magic powder, which is a fungus, and we put them in a plastic bag to ferment. And after the fermentation, the whole soybean has been transformed into what we call tempeh, and it has added value nutritional wise. It's very healthy, it's high in protein, high in fiber, animal acids, vitamins, B12, many good things. We use soybean because it's very much available for us here in Indonesia, and the quality is very consistent for us. It gives a very good sized bean, always nice and clean. They're all about the same size. Very important for making tempeh.